Discerning drivers will appreciate the 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The versatile Silverado 1500 truck combines features for both work and play. This two-door, three-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching.
The available trailer package boosts the Silverado's towing capacity to 10,700 pounds. Top features include air conditioning, variably intermittent wipers, a front bench seat, fully automatic headlights, available heated and cooled front seats, and much more. Use the available wireless internet connection to buy additional supplies while on the job or to check the weather while camping. Additional available features include power door mirrors, power windows, remote keyless entry, and others depending on your trim configuration.
Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. The trailer sway control feature senses trailer sway and automatically applies the vehicle's brakes and reduces engine power if necessary to help you get back on track.
The 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It comes equipped with all the standard amenities for your driving enjoyment.